If you are looking for the best drip coffee maker, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Cuisinart DCC3200P1 Perfectemp Coffee Maker. If you're looking for a capable drip coffee maker with a more accessible price tag, the Perfectemp should be in your shortlist. It's an improvement over previous models that gets coffee hotter without burning it. The stainless steel machine boasts a 14-cup glass carafe, but you can set it to brew 1 to 4 cups. The charcoal water filter and bold brew option enhance taste, while a scale indicator light lets you know when to clean your coffee maker. Number 2. Technivorm Moccamaster 59616 kbg Coffee Brewer. If you have a very busy morning schedule, you barely have time to peruse the morning news headlines before the process is done. The Moccamaster brewed 10 cups in less than 6 minutes, and, on a second trial, 6 cups in under 4 minutes. The brew function is almost jarringly fast. Once you turn on the machine, the brewing starts immediately. Then, you will notice the boiling water in the tank, and in a few minutes, fresh hot coffee is ready. Number 3. Ninja Hot and Cold Brewed System. Sitting on my home counter right now is an amazing pseudo-dual coffee machine from Ninja. Full disclosure, we received this item for free so we could test it out, and it has performed beautifully. Versatility is the word that comes to mind, as this thing can make just about any drink you can think of with a built-in milk frother, 6 different brew sizes, and 5 different brew styles that do completely different things based on whether you're making a standard pot of coffee or a flat white. Number 4. Number 4. BUNN CSB2G Speed Brew. Need your cup of go juice on the double. The Speed Brew Elite by BUNN is the perfect drip coffee maker for the person with a busy morning. All you need to do is add grounds, water, and touch one button, then just 3 minutes later you'll have a fresh, 10-cup pot of coffee. The commercial-style, multi-stream spray head fully soaks grounds for better taste. It even has an always-hot stainless steel water tank, so it's always ready to brew, but you can flip the vacation switch when you won't need it standing by. Number 5. Braun KF6050WH BrewSense Drip Coffee Maker. The BrewSense is straightforward to operate. It's designed like a traditional automatic drip machine with manual operating buttons, but with a sleek, modern upgrade. The hardware is a sophisticated combination of brushed metal and plastic, with a glass carafe that feels comfortable in the hand. You could unbox this machine, flush it through with water once, and be drinking a freshly brewed cup within 15 minutes, all without reading the manual. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.